Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Golf R. First, understand that the Golf R offers distinct driving modes like comfort, race, and individual, each altering the car's dynamics. Familiarize yourself with the DSG transmission, which provides quick, seamless shifts. Before you even start, adjust your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility and control, ensuring a comfortable and safe driving position tailored to you. To begin, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal, then press the start button to ignite the engine. Next, select either Drive for automatic operation or Sport mode for a more dynamic experience using the gear selector. For those who prefer more engagement, the steering wheel paddle shifters allow for precise manual gear changes, giving you full control over the car's power delivery. For exhilarating acceleration, engage launch control by selecting race mode, pressing the brake, then flooring the accelerator before releasing the brake. The Golf R's advanced all-wheel drive system provides exceptional grip, allowing you to confidently master cornering. Practice smooth transitions between braking and throttle modulation to maintain balance and control, enhancing your driving precision and overall enjoyment on various roads. To ensure your Golf R always performs at its best, regularly check your tire pressure. Proper inflation is crucial for handling and safety. Adhere to the manufacturer's recommended service schedule to keep all components in top condition, preserving the car's longevity and performance. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description for a link to a great water bottle and other deals to enhance your driving lifestyle. Enjoy every moment behind the wheel of your incredible Golf R.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.